10 years from now, you're either living the life you've always dreamed of or struggling to make ends meet. What's the difference? The choices you make today, right now, in your 20s. Stick with me, because these 5 financial moves could set you up for a lifetime of wealth or leave you playing catch-up forever. 1. Start investing early. Let's talk about the magic of investing. Imagine planting a seed today that grows into a tree that keeps giving you fruit for the rest of your life. Investing early takes advantage of compound interest, and the earlier you start, the less you need to contribute to see major results. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. It picks up momentum. If you wait until your 30s, that snowball's a lot harder to push. But there's one even more urgent way to protect your future. 2. Build an emergency fund. Life happens when you least expect it. Your car breaks down, medical bills pop up, or worst case, you lose your job. Having an emergency fund is your safety net. Without it, you'll be scrambling, borrowing, and sinking into debt. And trust me, nobody wants to call their parents to ask for rent again. Your emergency fund saves you from awkward family dinners. 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Now, let's talk about something most people hate: budgeting. But here's the thing. Cutting unnecessary expenses now can save you so much regret later. Those daily $5 coffees and subscriptions you forgot to cancel, they add up. By cutting out small, mindless spending, you free up more money to put toward investments and savings. It's not about depriving yourself. It's about being intentional. But what if you could make even more money on the side? 4. Start a side hustle. In today's world, relying on one income stream is risky. That 9 to 5 isn't guaranteed forever. The earlier you start building multiple income streams, the faster you can reach financial freedom. A side hustle isn't just extra money. It's your safety net if something happens to your main job. Plus, it gives you freedom to explore your passions and create something for yourself. What's stopping you? Fear of failure? Lack of time? What if I told you every successful person felt the same way? 5. Educate yourself about money. The most valuable thing you can invest in is yourself, specifically your financial knowledge. The more you understand about money, the better decisions you'll make today that will pay off for decades. From learning how to budget, invest, or manage debt. The earlier you grasp these concepts, the more control you'll have over your financial future. With so much free information out there, books, podcasts, YouTube channels, there's no excuse to stay in the dark. Now, here's the most important question. What are you going to do with this knowledge? Your 20s are the time to set your financial foundation. The choices you make right now will echo into your 30s, 40s, and beyond. So, which version of yourself do you want to meet in 10 years? The one who made smart money moves early and enjoys financial freedom, or the one still struggling to figure it all out? The power's in your hands. Start investing, build that emergency fund, cut unnecessary expenses, start that side hustle, and most importantly, keep learning. You've got this. Your future self is waiting. Make them proud.